Guys, so this is going to be our first activity as we learn about the Maya, Aztec, and Inca civilizations. So, our first thing that I'm going to have you guys do is look at this world map. Now, this is a world map of today, of the countries um, that we have today in the world. Okay, so you're going to answer some questions about these countries and bodies of water that are around them or separates them or those kind of things. So you're going to use this key over here, okay? So about an inch equals about 2,000 miles, okay? So you're going to use that to answer some questions, to answer at least number 2, okay? The rest of it you can kind of easily see on the map, okay? So we're going to use, this is our first activity, we're going to look at the world map. The next activity, we're going to look at a modern map of North America, Central America, and South America. Do this activity first. Thank you.